Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic is what's new in Flutter 3.10. So finally Flutter 3 released, and this is the official documentation that provided by Flutter. If you want to go on their website and check also. Okay, so in Flutter 3.10 the efforts of Dart 3 available. So there are lots of new features that are available in Dart 3. We can discuss in further video. Framework. So this is the Flutter 3, and you can use Material 3 via passing a bool value that is true or false. And the Material 3 is very amazing. As you in different video I told you, the color scheme that image provider, the color scheme of that image of the wallpaper, it will automatically pick Material 3 and change the UI according to that. I also made a video related to that. If you want to see that, you can check my list, and also I add in description the link of the video. So color scheme, it will automatically get from image, and this is the navigation bar that are updated in material bottom navigation bar using Material 3 and navigation drawer. There are lots of things. Flutter API simple make it different colors, and upgrade search bar it. As you see, also tab bar view is also changed about according to that, and also the as the M3, these are related to Material 3, but the most of the things are also updated by Cupertino icons and different iOS styles. Okay, so this is the selectable double click and tab gesture and drag gesture also added in this update, and you can drag multi-line or like that. And Flutter support level 1. So Flutter frame compile easy level for software knowledge to implementation of managed security purpose. So it will security purpose wise also increased, and the multi-part of approval of addiction like this is some website areas that you can use, and performance also increased. Janks also removed, and PubDat tools also increase the more powerful, and the iOS style it will provide wireless debugging, and the mixins libraries and full SP graphs. We removed latex and Minkin to flag this release. So this is the by default in the old version of the Flutter it will using libtex, but it will increase Minkin that is used, and that take less space of the previous version of the application. So as it and the most of the while programming we have to say some application size increases, so we can minimize it by using these approaches in the Flutter latest version. And aspect ratios are no load time, and mobile and iOS wireless debugging support, volume image support. Flutter app iOS can support actual render for these images. You can use for rendering image, and the spell check, it will also check the spells that is also added by Flutter. So this is the new this is new widget that we can use for iOS style. Adaptive checkbox. So Cupertino checkbox also radio. Cupertino radio also edit. Not adaptive. Adaptive means to say it will automatically detect which kind of application, like mobile app, like Android application or iOS. If iOS, so it will display icons or images like that in iOS style. If the images or icons style like Android, so it will display like that. After updating that, Cupertino page right transaction. If you want to navigate one page to another, it will update it iOS style to page navigation. Okay, so new release also app other extensions are most of the things. Okay, this is very important. Android camera export. The Jetpack pack of library functionality. Android app image capture, video recording, display, live camera preview. So you can use this camera and camera Android X. So it will upgraded and it will supported by officially announced by Flutter. But this is for use for Android. So these dev tools are performance are increased that before that I tell you. Windows is alternate application is fixed. So this is new in update. But this is not only this update inside of Flutter. I will show you what's new in Dart. The Dart version is also released 3 that come with more powerful. Okay, so it will 100% of null safety that we use, and the language feature record patterns and classes are modified are added in our like this. You can define our classes like that, like this. This is very interesting method. This is also new for me, and I will use in our next videos and how we can use it. I will tell you. I will explain these patterns in the next video. You will see working the structured data pattern and pattern matching. You can define like this our model classes that we used in our mobile application, and we can use like this because these structure pattern are use less space of memory. And also this is very interesting for me. Switch case, there are no need to write only on one case. We can use multiple expressions on in our switch cases in Dart 3. For that, for this you have to upgrade your Dart version. As you see, case this or operator, you can any operator use. This is very interesting for me. Meanwhile, you can handle two data types of in single function, and you can easily manage. And also like this is JSON. You can see name and print like this. These are things are very interesting for me. And these things are upgraded by Dart language, and also increase the load time. And you also want to see more, you can visit official channel of the Flutter. Thank you very much. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe me, and in the description I provide my Upwork link if you want to hire as a developer. Thank you.